Welcome back, Farthing. Hi, Elliot. Elliot wants my lap back now. There goes a penny. It's a Hagrid and Betty. Oh, hi, Farthing. Farthing wanted all the way up. Miss Thistle is already up here. And Preeny and Sweet. Birds all nap to nap. Oh, let's see how Leela does on the mesh now that I've trimmed her claws. She can go over there and eat herself food. She just needs to not get too close to that Gus Gus. Gus will absolutely start shit. And she's feeling better than she was yesterday. I don't think I got any video yesterday, did I? No. Don't remember. Last video I got, she wasn't feeling super great. But it looks like she feels better today. Look at her go food herself with food. Yay! No, she's not getting stuck on the mesh. The mesh isn't scary anymore. Hi, Penny. Oh, no. Oh, no. I love you, too. I love you, too. You're adorable. How are you so cute, Elliot? Hey, Penny. What a sweet girl. Yeah, I'll need to get some of her picture tomorrow. Not today yet. And Farthing gave me lots of good ones. Look at that indica. You can actually see a little bit of sooty on Indica's shield feathers now that the new ones are coming in. Got that from her mama, who was being smoochy with one of her sugar daddies. She and her actual husband have been house hunting today. There's a few nests they've picked out that they like. Of course, there's their old favorite. They tried to steal Mia's, and that did not work. And they tried to steal the nest that the babies like to use. So. Yeah, as long as he's up for smooching, she'll take him up for that. She'll take him up on that. Are y'all arguing over who gets to be on Minnie? Oh, Hagrid wins. Hi, Hagrid. Smoochy. So let's see if she invites him or if she just asks him to smooch. She doesn't seem so keen on inviting him to tread now that she's more physically fit. She has been asking Vinny to tread her. Oh, there she goes. Now let's see if she moves her tail aside for Lily. Yes, actually. Lily just takes a long time to finish. She let him, though. I wonder if she's trading mates. Be interesting to see what comes out of her. And oh, Lily's a switch. Oh. Lily wants his turn to be tread. And Vinny may step in at this point. We'll see. Yep. wasn't chasing him away when he wasn't actually treading his wife. Let's see. Today's Friday. If we get an egg next Friday, it'll likely be Lily's, depending on whether or not she treads with Vinny. Lily hasn't successfully had any kids for us because he's been trying to tread Luxie, and she just does not let him finish. Hagrid and Betty reaffirming their bonds. And it looks like Cody and Rigby have moved back into one of their favorite nest spots. They like that third one or the one just below it. They've thought about this one on the bottom and then decided against it when they realized that Leela could hop up to join them. That is very interesting. I don't know if Ellie is getting ready to divorce Vinny, or if she is going to continue to nest with him for help feeding the squeakers. We'll see. There's Leela over there eating food. And yeah, she's not getting stuck as easily. Oh, does that baby girl want some calcium? She does. Little peeps. Alex and Dodger have been grazing in the food pile practically all day. They really like the millet. That's their favorite. And Betty and Hagrid are going to go graze together. Well, if anything other than a bar comes out of Ellie's next clutch, we'll know that wasn't Vinny's child. That was loud, Lily. Oh. A bold wee farthing. Wonder what Mia's gonna do about that, or is he content in the box he's sitting in right now? We'll find out in a minute, I guess. He doesn't seem super bothered. Wonder if he's even noticed that Farthing is over there. If he's in what he considers to be a better box, he's not going to bother with defending that other one. PJ kind of thinks that all the nest boxes up top are his. But those two on the far corners are his favorites. Really hope we can find him a home soon. Nope, absolutely does not care that Farthing is in his other nest box. Look at that Rigby. It's a cozy Rigby. There's a cozy Tandy. Tandy and Emilio have tried it in a few times. I have no idea if they're broody or not. And Cookie is just not even kind of helping Pippin on their egg. I have not seen her get up there and sit on that thing once. Pippin has been in that box all day. He hadn't even come down to eat yet. Hi, Ellie. And Gus sipping her a sip. Farthing left the box by himself. Up here to the perch, I guess. No. Alex and Cookie are getting into it a little. It's quite a bold Leela. There goes that Vinny. No, I can't trim Leela's little toenails any further, or I'll quick them. So she's just going to have to adapt a little bit. So, mate or sugar daddy? Guess it depends on who she nests with. Cookie and Lily are politely threatening each other in the background. Cookie's not happy to see Lily. That's not what that particular type of wing twitching means. She's going to punch him if he gets too close to the grit she's eating. Lily still hasn't asked Vinny to treat her. Vinny's offering. I hear you, Thistle. Thistle is mad that Elliot is on my other shoulder. Thistle wants them both. Looks like she's sated with Lily both feeding and mating with her. Oh, look at that Leela. That Leela's gonna swat him. I don't know if I actually caught that on camera, but she did swat him a couple times. I hear you, Thistle. Thank you, Elliot. That's a sweet baby. Elliot likes to preen my cheek. And so does Thistle. What you want, Ellie? You come preen my skirt? There's a stretchy Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Hey, Cookie. You wanna go help Pippin? Take your turn on that egg? She's like, nope. I'll eat it. I'm done with it. It's gonna need help, baby. Hi, Ellie. Oh, Cookie. Who is singing their call song? Is that Emilio? He's singing to Tandy. Could also be PJ. Here comes our Lily. Oh, sorry, Thistle. Lily's flirting with Ellie a little bit. You gonna attempt to have multiple wives, or is Ellie just a favorite side chick? Oh, hi, Penny. Well, she's definitely receptive. Comfy, sleepy Vinny. Doesn't seem to mind that his wife is somebody else's side chick. As long as she still roosts with him. Hey, Penny. I hear you. It's a little too hard, baby. I'll tug my eyelids. I know, Thistle. How dare Penny be over here preening me also? How dare. Well, we've hit the 20-minute mark on a very interesting episode of Chill Time with Birds. So we will go ahead and sign off. in addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices, both in small-scale companion breeding and rescue work, I'd like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for their contributions, both financial and intellectual. Time permitting, dears, will be joining us for Breakfast with Birds tomorrow. Grassy.